Well, hello there. Sion Batson here from Sion Batson Tutoring, and in this video, we will be working on the product rule for exponents. Now, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please click on the subscribe button and turn your notifications on so you can be notified every time I post a new math tutorial. Thank you. Now, to our exercise. The product rule for exponents states when multiplying terms that have the same base, we can add their exponents. Very simple rule, yes? When multiplying terms that have the same base, we can add their exponents. Now, very important. We can only add the exponents when the bases are the same. Yes? Extremely important. We can only add the exponents when the bases are the same. So far, so good? Great. Now, also, if the terms have coefficients, we will multiply the coefficients first, then add the exponents. Also, if after adding the exponents, we get a negative exponent, we must change that negative exponent to a positive exponent. You should never leave a negative exponent in your answer. Got it? Perfect. Now, to our first example. First example, we have x to the third power times x to the fourth power. Now, the base in the first term is x. The base in the second term is also x. So, since our bases are the same, we can add the exponents. Yes? So, we'll put back our base and we'll add 3 and 4. And if we add 3 and 4, we will get 7. So, our answer is x to the 7th power. Note how we keep the base, yeah? The base does not change. We keep the base and we only add the exponents. So far, so good? Very simple idea. Very simple concept here. No stress. It's all fun. Let's try y to the, let's say, 7th power times y to the, let's say, 5th power. So again, we check our bases. The base in the first term is y. The base in the second term is also y. Since our bases are the same, we can add the exponents. So we are going to put back our base. Remember, we do not touch the base. The base stays the same, and we add our exponents. 7 plus 5 will give us 12. So our answer is y to the 12th power. Very simple concept. This is so simple. I am going to give you guys a chance to try one right now. Let's try, let's say m to the 6th power times m to the, let's say, 7th power. You guys give it a shot. It's very simple. Remember, once the bases are the same, we simply add the exponents. Yeah? That's it. Give it a shot. Very good. All right. Let's see if we get the same answer here. So we have m as our base here and m as our base here as well. So our bases are the same. Since our bases are the same, we can add the exponents. So we'll keep our base m and we'll add 6 and 7 and we'll get m to the 13th power. And we're done. Very simple, very fun, very straightforward. All right. Now, so far so good? Very nice, very nice, very nice. All right. Let's see. Let us try x to the second power times x. Now remember, whenever the variable is by itself, the exponent will always be 1. The 1 is always hiding in the shadow, so don't you ever forget that. Whenever you see a lonely variable, the exponent will always be 1. Alright, so now we can go ahead. Our base here is x, our base here is x. So our bases are the same. So we can add the exponents. So we'll add 2 and 1, and we'll get x cubed, or x to the third power. Very simple, very simple. All right, I know you guys are having fun here because you are saying, I know you are saying to yourself, Sion, this is too simple. All right, what if we have 2y to the second power times 4y to the third power? So in this example, our terms have coefficients. Our coefficient in the first term is 2, and the coefficient in the second term is 4. So we will multiply the coefficients first. 2 times 4 will give us 8. So put our 8 first. So don't forget, once the terms have coefficients, we'll multiply the coefficients first, yes? Then we will add the exponents. We can add the exponents here because our base here is y and our base here is y as well. So our bases are the same, yes? So we put our base back and we'll add 2 plus 3. So our answer will be 8y to the fifth power because 2 plus 3 gives us 5. Very simple, no? Very simple, very fun, very exciting. Yes? All right. I'm going to give you guys a chance to try one now. Try another one here because I know you guys love proving to your parents and to your grandparents, to your uncles and to your aunties that you guys are smart, right? Let me see what you guys are going to do with this one right here. Give this one a shot and then come back and let's see if we get the same answer. Now, if you need to go back and watch the previous examples, that's no problem. This is your video, okay? So you can go back and watch the examples that we worked as much as you want and then come back and try this one. Yes? Perfect. Now, welcome back. Let's see what we will get here. Now first, our terms have coefficients. So since we have coefficients, we will multiply the coefficients first. So our first coefficient is -8, and then we have 2. So -8 times 2 will give us -16. Yes? Now, what's next? If you notice, this x is all by itself, no exponent. Don't be caught, don't be fooled. Remember, whenever the variable is by itself, the exponent is always 1. I know some of you got caught with this, but you cannot forget this. Whenever a variable is by itself, the exponent is always 1. Yes? So now, our base here is x, our base here is x as well. So we can add the exponent. So we'll put our base back first, and we'll do 4 plus 1. Plus 1, sorry. So we'll get what? -16x to the fifth power. Very fun, very exciting, very simple. All right, let's see. Let us try. Let's say we have x to the -5 power times x to the, let's say, 7th power. Look at this one. X to the -5 5th power times x to the 7th power. Again, our base here is x and our base here is x. So since the bases are the same, we can go ahead and add the exponents. So we'll put our base back first and we'll do -5 plus 7. And this will give us what? X, -5 plus 7 will give us 2. And we're done. Very simple, very fun, very exciting. Yes? Alright, listen, I really hope you guys are enjoying this video. I really hope you guys are finding it useful and helpful. Now, let's try one with a negative exponent now. Let's say we have y to the negative, let's say, 4 power times y to the, let's say, 2nd power. Y to the negative 4th power times y to the 2nd power. So again, our base in the first term is y. Our base in the second term is y as well. So we can go ahead and add our exponents. Yes? So we'll do what? Put back our base first. Then we'll add -4 plus 2. Now, what do we know? We know that this will give us y to the -2 power. But remember, we cannot leave a negative exponent in our answer. Yes? We cannot leave a negative exponent in our answer. So we'll have to change this -2 to a +2. Now, if you need to review how to change a negative exponent to a positive exponent, I recommend you go check my video out, changing negative exponents to positive exponents. Yes? When you feel comfortable, you can come back and join me. Alright, so we know that to make a negative exponent positive, we will simply move the negative exponent and the term attached to the negative exponent. So this will become 1 over y to the 2nd power. Again, if you need to review or practice how to change a negative exponent to a positive exponent, go watch that video, changing negative exponents to positive exponents. Yes? You will find it very useful and very helpful. Alright, can we do one more here? Can we do one more, my friends? I'll give you guys a chance to try one. Let's say we have -5m to the -8th power times -4m to the -2 power. Let me see what you guys are going to do with this one here. Again, if you need to, you can go back and watch the previous examples that we worked. Yes, watch those videos as much as you want until you have a firm grasp of what's happening. Then when you are done, come back and try this one. Yes? Alright. Welcome back. Let's see if we will get the same answer here. So first, our terms have coefficients. We have -5 here and -4. So we'll first multiply -5 times -4. And we will get what? +20. Yes? So we'll put our 20 first. So far, so good. Alright, very nice. Next, our base here is m. Our base in the second term is also m. So since the bases are the same, we can add our exponents. So we'll put our m back and we'll add -2 plus -8. So what are we going to get? We'll get 20m to the -10 power. There's a problem though. Our exponent is negative. And remember, we can never leave a negative exponent in our answer. So we must change our negative exponent to a positive exponent. And if we want to change a negative exponent to a positive exponent, we will simply move the negative exponent and the term attached to the negative exponent. Very simple. And again, I'm going to say, if you need to practice how to change a negative exponent to a positive exponent, go watch my video, changing negative exponents to positive exponents. So in this example, the negative exponent, negative 10, is attached only to the m. Because remember, 20m to the negative 10 power is the same as 20 times m to the negative 10 power. So this negative 10 is only attached to the m. So we'll move this m and the negative 10 to the bottom. So our answer will be, we'll get 20 over m to the 10th power. I hope that's what you guys got. I know some of you got this. For those of you who made an error somewhere, don't panic. That's fine. Go back, see where you made your error. Yeah? Practice again and make sure you get the correct answer. Yes? Now, I really hope you guys enjoy this video. I really hope that you found it helpful and useful. And remember again, if this is your first time on my channel, please click on the subscribe button and turn your notifications on so you can be notified every time I post a new video. Until next time, enjoy your math homework and remember to practice, practice, practice. See you.